So this is a reboxing video of the Dere R9 Pro, which we prepared for homeschooling. And we're just gonna put it back in the box so that when we present it to the true user, they will have their own unboxing experience. Let's just shut it down and then start the process of putting it back into how it was packaged when it came on from the courier. So it begins with the laptop itself, and it has these two styrofoam thingies that are exactly mated to it. So we're gonna put that in the box along with the adapter, which came in this long box that really didn't do anything except hold the adapter. So let's put that in there and then close it up. All right. So let's put these away for a minute. The box. This is the box of the Dere R9 Pro. Look here, they say something. Let's just close it up a little bit and then look at what they say. Official flagship product, second best is not good enough. And their the origin, Shenzhen Shuangruxin Technology Corporation Limited. So this is the website that is very, very old already. So we're gonna put the computer back inside. Just make sure that it clears the space. Let's put it over. Should be okay. So as you can see, this came from the display. So I removed this from the display, but we're not gonna put it back anymore. It's just there. So that's the charger, and this is the laptop. Close that down. Believe it or not, this came in a very secure packaging, which, well, you have no choice to believe me because I have it right here. So it came in this. So it's a very fun experience to unpack, really. But it's already open that way. So there, you don't need to open it. It's open that way. So we'll just place it inside. Put it back. Very good. So when we transport it, it will be thoroughly protected from all sides. So it came in like that inside of a bigger box. Oh, there's a sleeve like this. Put it on. Also, and we'll do it quickly. So this is the brown box that comes in. So it's sealed. It's sealed when it comes in. Okay. So let's just put this back in the box. Sorry about that. But that will ensure that the computer is not scratched. That out. Basically, just taking the computer out of this and then putting that sleeve on before everything else. Putting that off, brush that off a little bit, and then put it in its nice white case here. Just make sure that it's not on so that there won't be any heat that gets trapped on there. So you want it to be slightly folded. Let's begin with this side here. Bigger flap. Side. That on the foam. The other side also on the foam. That should do it. Right. Box. Put this in. Close it back down. What is that? It's a little bit of deformation here. It should be okay. Putting it back in the bubble wrap, right? It's a big, really big wrap. Almost didn't want to cut it up. So there it is. We're back in business. So that is inside this sealed box. Sealed box. Put that in there. Show you how that works. Why am I doing this anyway? Because it's easier to handle when I bring it over there tomorrow. So, and all over this, don't see how they hit that on there. Oh, there's some space there. So this goes on there, as well as this, and this, and the mouse pad. So let's do that one by one, using all the crevices that are available to us. The webcam is a really nice touch. It elevates the usability of the computer for conference calls, which everyone seems to like nowadays, and is arguably one of the best methods of managing things off site or not face to face. And that's it. That's the box. And we reseal this. That's basically the box that the courier brings over from Lazada. I hope you like that. It's a little bit long because of the reboxing issue, but you have it.